Good morning. This commission for coaches is presenting a course at the University of Namibia. It's a fundamental coaching course that we start on Monday. That will last until Friday. It's a fundamental principles of coaching where we start with coaching philosophy. We're working towards safeguarding our players and our athletes in our country. Then we do the principles of how do I plan for a season, prioritization, long-term athlete development, and then we also touch on the whole mental preparedness of our players and our sport people in Namibia. How do I look after the well-being of my players and my participants? And then we also look into the legal and management components of sport and how the coach, what's the coach's role in those. And then also interesting practicals that we do in the afternoon is we apply what we learn in the morning in the classrooms. Yesterday afternoon we teach them how to fabricate your own exercise equipment, and they enjoyed that a lot. So that's part of their team building. So what we do is, in essence, we complement the federation's coaching courses with soft skills and fundamentals in the coaching science. And then on Friday afternoon, we will have our certificate. It's a short course offered by UNAM, and it's our contribution to the community of Namibia.
Okay, so how do you envision this course benefiting Namibian sports in general?
Yeah, I think it's part of the skills of any coach is not just the knowledge of the sport, but from the coaching science perspective, they must also be able to work with the athlete as a holistic approach, as a human being. So it's not about the sport per se, it's about athlete-centered coaching. In other words, we put the athlete in the middle. What is required? What skills are required from the coach with regards to have this athlete invest in his life to become a person that can perform and a person that can also enhance his own abilities, his well-being in the end of the day. So what we say is all coaches contribute to a person, to a team, to a region, and eventually to the whole country. So coaches are the backbone of sport in this country, but also will influence the whole nation.